Well, yesterday we were talking about the beautiful spring sunshine. Today we're talking about spring showers instead.
Our weather, which really just accelerated right into spring, is now in reverse. Headed the wrong direction, Ray.
I'm sorry about that, but spring has rain, it has thunderstorms, and we're going to be experiencing both of those in the next 24 to 36 hours as we have the next system coming in. Now, the worst of this system is going to be down to the south. We're going to catch the top edge of it, and this could provide some very heavy rain for us. And in a couple select locations, potentially a strong to severe thunderstorm. You can see that parts of Beaver County, parts of Washington, and parts of Greene counties are included in that marginal risk, with the worst of it being back into Ohio. That's where we'll have the better shot for some of those stronger to severe thunderstorms, but that's pretty close to our area. So it's something we watch very closely, and one of the reasons we have our first alert weather day for tomorrow, so you're aware that there is the potential for some severe weather to be close by. The other thing is we are going to see some widespread rain, and some of this is going to be heavy, and this will likely have an impact on your morning commute and potentially your evening commute as well. So come 6 a.m., we're going to see those first showers arriving at the state line. By 10, some pretty hefty rainfall south of I-70. That's going to spread across the area through the rest of the morning. We'll maybe catch a little midday break before the next round of thunderstorms starts to develop for the evening. And this could be around for the evening commute, slowing things down there. And more storms into about 8, 9 o'clock before we start to clear them out. And I think by the time we head into Thursday, it will be a much more quiet day, but cloudy with still warm temperatures behind. Now, look at some of these projected rainfall totals from this particular model. 1.5 inches of rain in some cases. We're looking for about 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches of rain with some of these downpours that develop with these storms. On top of that, gusty winds are going to be another issue. 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts are not out of the question, especially late tomorrow afternoon and into the evening with that second little batch of storms rumbling through. So tomorrow's probably the worst day of the bunch when it comes to the heavy rain and thunderstorms around. That's why that's our first alert weather day. We catch a break on Thursday with cloudy skies, but otherwise it's going to be a mild day and nice otherwise. Now Friday, showers return here. These look to be on the lighter side, but our temperatures are going to be falling. And on Saturday, that means we could be looking at a rain-snow mix and even some light snow on Sunday. So it's going to be much colder heading into the weekend. Watch these temperatures go. Next couple days, still some 60s and wet tomorrow. 60 with mostly cloudy skies on Thursday. Then after we turn on those showers Friday, it's a steep decline in those temperatures right through the weekend. So certainly a little rewind, as Ken mentioned, back into winter. Tonight, though, it's cloudy skies late as we're getting towards morning. That rain is going to turn on, and that will be with us through the day tomorrow. And again, it's a first alert weather day because of that potential of heavy rain. And in those select locations, we're talking to Beaver, right now Washington, and Greene counties, you could get some gusty winds pushing out of a couple of these storms. So it's something to watch for very carefully, especially during the afternoon and evening when we have those warmer temperatures around. Thursday, that's a little break in the action. Friday, we see the rain showers return and temperatures still floating around 50 degrees, which isn't bad for this time of year, but just knowing that that trend is for downward for the weekend temperature-wise, yeah, it's going to be in the 40s and 30s between Saturday and Sunday. We go from a mix to snow. We brighten things up Monday and Tuesday, but temperatures inch upward to the low to mid 40s, so a little cooler than average. So the warm stuff, that's the next couple days, and then it looks like our weather is going to fall apart even more so towards the weekend.